Welcome to DIT University. In this video, we will guide you to access the iNext ERP portal and also walk you through the registration process for the academic year 2024-25. You can visit the DIT University website and click on the ERP login option. You can also directly access the portal by typing the URL diterp.dituniversity.edu.in. You can use your ERP ID, also known as the student ID, to access the portal. Click on the Forget Password option. The system will prompt you to enter your ERP ID and your official email ID. Upon verification, you will receive an OTP on your registered mobile number. You may enter the OTP and submit. The password will be sent to you on your registered email ID. Enter the password received on your official email ID. You will receive an OTP. Enter the OTP and submit. You can now successfully access the portal. You can also access the portal using your official university email ID. You can select Login with Outlook, enter your registered email ID and password. You have now successfully logged into your ERP. Students must ensure the following before proceeding for the registration process. All dues must be paid, dues for academics as well as hostel if applicable. If you have any pending dues, you can pay it using the new ERP iNext from the 28th of July 2024. Students registered for summer term will be eligible for registration after the declaration of the summer term results, tentatively on the 9th of August 2024. Let us now take a look at the stepwise registration process. Kindly note that this process is specifically for the second year students. Log in to the ERP portal iNext. The portal's left navigation panel will show you a variety of options. Select Academics and click on Course Registration. If the registration date is open for your specific program, year and session, you may proceed. If not, please wait until it is open. All courses available for enrollment under your program will be displayed. Kindly consider the following while enrolling in a course. Students must enroll in courses up to the maximum credit limit for the semester, ranging from 16 to 30 credits depending on the program's requirements. There are various combinations available and students can choose permissible credits based on the provided combinations. These are applicable only for BTech CSE and BTech IT students. The first available combination comprises of Computer Organization and Architecture, Discrete Mathematics, Introduction to Java Programming, Digital Electronics and Applications, Environmental Science, and Introduction to Psychology. The second, third, and fourth available combinations are highlighted in color. Let us now look at the registration process for students without backlog. The system will ask for the selection of minor program for undergraduate program only. You need to take a decision if you wish to take minor program along with major program of study. After opting any minor program, the course offered under minor program will also be available for registration. You are advised to enroll in minor course while doing the registration. Please note that once opted for minor program, it will not be reverted back. Now, you may select the course as per the combinations. Let us now have a look at the registration process for students with backlog. The minor option will not be available to the students who have any backlog in the preceding semester course. Students with backlogs from previous semesters who did not register in the summer term must select regular courses alongside any offered backlog course by their department or school. The system will automatically enroll these courses indicated as already enrolled and highlighted in color on the screen, which cannot be unchecked by the student. Students can then choose additional courses up to the permissible semester credit limit. Select the course as per the combinations. You can click on the course code and view the details of the course, the components, grading patterns, and the assessment scheme. To check the time slots for the particular course, you can click on View. You may now click on Proceed for Timetable. The system will navigate you to the next screen where you need to choose a timetable code. Based on availability, there may be one or multiple timetable options. Select a timetable code and the timetable for your enrolled courses will be displayed. While hovering over the timetable, you can view details like the name of the course instructor and the location where the course will be held. Read the undertaking, check the mandatory checkbox, and submit your course selection. Note, for students with backlog, there will be no option to select the timetable. Their timetable will automatically be visible on the screen. Here, you can view the day-wise timetable for your enrolled course. If you wish to view the timetable again, you can click on Academia and select Timetable. You will receive an email on your official email address specifying the list of registered courses. To download the proof of registration, you may click on the activity log in the Academics section and download the enrollment form. This form needs to be signed by the student and submitted to their respective departments. Kindly note that for programs other than BTech CSE and IT shall register as per the available courses on the portal. For any further help and support in this regard, kindly contact your respective department.